early in your career too, as you said, you linked with Popcaan, but then you guys even started to have an issue later on. What had happened there?
Yeah, so what really happened is that me, I do my thing, you know. Even when I run foot tight, him did I try take up like for run foot tight them and jam me back in the camp. But remember, say me don't know, say yo, a hold down thing I go on this, so I don't want to go back there. So. You see, pray. So we just do our thing and I not to big him up. I rate him, I respect him, artist, I want the biggest thing out of dancehall right now. Popcaan, I want the biggest thing out of dancehall right now. You see me, I never stop saying that. The artist I listen up to today, they same way when him try to violate and the whole of them things. I always rate and respect Popcaan music, you see, pray. But what go down now is that what I on him live, I give me a forward and one of the essential member of the Unruly camp, you know, come out from the live and kind of disrespect me certain way, but me not like and my fans them not like. So it kind of cause a little feud because my fans them go screenshot it and start sending it out and send me it and all of them something. So I just post it and just tag him and tag him boss and deal with it or more deal with it and it just gone viral. So 5 minutes after Popcaan DM me. 5 minutes after him DM me. You know, I try disrespect me in a certain way and I try demand respect. Say him name me fully bad and this and that and you know one bag of something. So that I just screenshot it when I reply to him. I just screenshot it and reply to him publicly. So the world can see what go on. You know, so from me do that now, my phone just a ring down, the whole business a call me and say, John, no, this here, no, you never have to do it. So, and really, like, them want me call up to him name, Popcaan. I have to defend myself and show them, say, yes, I'm bad. And we not go take no style, because we not there to take no style, you see it, and we are give the style them. So we say, alright, I have a song named Another Duffy, you know? The song the voice and record before the whole Feud. But the song just connect back with everything where you're going. You know? So we just drop that song there, Another Duffy, and gone viral and everybody love it, but them not pleased. You know? Them not pleased with it. Them say fully bad go direct. You have to go direct and defend your name. You see it? So I go direct now and defend my name. You see it free? And that song they know, all that song they come up now. I trade them, I sit down on the meds, you know. Because I say, you know, I can't go regular. I just sit down on the meds to trade there.
And we're talking about no Unruly.
No Unruly, you know. I sit down on the meds to trade there and I say, yo, you know, I say, yo. I have to go, this is in a real way where I'm going to feel it, you know. And wait, I go shake up the media because I battle my name, you know. You see, free. There's no face there. Yeah, so. I sit down and meds it. Same like I'm doing Cafe and Read. You see me? Because that song there and Cafe and Read different from everything else, you know, because some different kind of meds. You see me? My weed and my special and my thing. And lock up. Me alone, no company, no friend. You see me? Me alone lock up. And I say, go to work, bad God. I run through about 5, 6 rhythm and I don't feel good with none of them because I'm a bad artist. I know what I search for. When I finally find the right rhythm, oh God, man. Yeah, man. I done it done. I'm trying to say some things where I'm going to shake up the media like you must run 3 mil per cartel every month. Because that's something more we know about. You see, pray. Everything I'm saying at the song I just straight fuck. You know? So that's how we go to work. When I sing about facts and I don't know what build up, artists they come out and answer you. But when you build up the thing I try to read, I'm not going to look. So when I talk the truth now, it hurt them. So they have to reply in a certain way, you know? Yeah, but that song there, one of my biggest songs. I can't tell you, say, one of my artist songs for me I do music. You know why?
How come there?
Everywhere I drive, everywhere on the road I go, everywhere I turn, anywhere I hit a place. But the reason why Did not get, did not run the place for long, and them something that because it's that this song. This song and the two go nowhere. Just 1 month and 2 months song then. You know? Yeah, but I want my biggest song, no Unruly. Guys, it have every vlogger. It have the whole of the mixed up page and everybody I make their meme, their sitting, it take over TikTok, it everywhere. You know? And I got 13 pound trending, YouTube trending.
Okay, because even the visuals, if people aren't really listening to the lyrics, they would see the visuals and they'll understand exactly what's going on right away from they see the visuals.
Yeah, fully bad, I like.
You know what I mean? Crazy. No, Pat, I like your talent because you put out a lot of music, and as I said, it's you have some of this, some of that, and you seem to, from the conversation I'm having with you, you seem to understand how to work the system that's working social media, so it starts to work for you. You understand?
True. Yeah, because the social media thing is very important, you know. So, my Instagram, fan base build up, YouTube build up. So you know, say anything me drop after that now are viral, you know?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.